should we do when a dog touches us or our clothes? Should we do ghusl or wudu? And how many times should we do ghusl? Now, you have to define what you mean by ghusl. Do you mean the ritual, which is the total bath one takes after sexual intercourse? Or do you mean to wash, simply washing? I presume that you mean the first one, which is total bath. And this is a misconception that a lot of the Muslims maybe are ignorant of. People think that if I touch an impurity, a najasa, this means that my wudu has been nullified. And this is not true. A person's wudu is only nullified by the things that nullify wudu, such as passing wind, urinating, defecating, eating camel's meat, sleeping. These are the most authentic reasons for nullifying wudu. And some say touching the private parts as well. So, if you touch an impurity while you are in the state of wudu, your hand becomes impure. It becomes najis. But to be able to pray, what you have to do is wash your hand. If you have an impurity on your clothes, you do not need to perform wudu. All what you have to do is wash that piece of your clothes that was affected by the najasa, and this is it. The same thing goes with the dog. Now, what do we have about dogs? We have a hadith where the Prophet says, alayhi salatu wasalam, if a dog licks into your plate, then you have to wash that plate 7 times, and the first one is by putting soil into it. So you wash the dish with soil, and then you wash it 6 or 7 times with water. Now, the Prophet only said about licking the dog in your plate or in your dish. Therefore, scholars said that only when a dog licks with his saliva or touches an area with his wet mouth or wet nose, this requires that you wash that area, because this is najasa. Therefore, if a dog passes by me and touches me with its body or with its leg, this is okay. There is nothing najis in the dog's body or the dog's legs or the dog's hair. What is najis is the wetness in the dog's saliva or in the dog's nose, the front part of the dog. Therefore, if the dog licks your leg, then the area that the dog licked, you should wash it, because this is najis. If he licks your hand, you have to wash your hand. But do I have to perform wudu again? The answer is no, and surely you don't have to have a total bath all in all. I hope this answers your question.